how to claim Shopee Spin and Win. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to claim Shopee Spin and Win. Open the Shopee app on your phone. Log into your account and go to the Me tab. On the home page, you will see the check-in for daily coins option. Tap on this option at the top of the screen. You'll be directed to the coins reward page. Swipe right on the offers and tap on the Spin and Win icon named Win Asahi Coffee Maker. Wait a few seconds to load the page. Now, spin the wheel to win the exciting prizes. It requires only one coin to spin the wheel. Tap again on the Spin and Win icon to start spinning the wheel. You can win more prizes in Shopee. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.